Well, Sportsova is the place that I am right now, and it was the biggest game on the calendar, or let me say the big game for the weekend. That was Manica Diamond Juniors who hosted MFS, and at the end of the day, it was Manica Diamond Juniors who won by 3-0. And with me now here is the coach for MFS, Coach Kaitano. Well, Coach, definitely I know you are not happy at the end of the day, Bozi. You were the team that ended in the receiving side. But Murugunzi was saying, how did you see the 90 minutes?
That's the game of football. Yeah, we play to win. But at the end of the day, you lose the game. We considered the early goals. Those were silly goals. But we work next time we win. That's the game.
Well, now coach, taking it from there, wakumana venyonga vari kuwina ende vanga vasudyika, but now wabuya panapa vadyiwa. Do you think kuti now wakaenda kuhome mukatraina vachakwanisa kusumuka here kudzoka munyaya dzekuhwina kana kuti ndokutotanga kwacho kwesizini kudyiwa? Munokwanisa kupagadzirisa here pamba?
From here we are going to the drawing board. We are going to win. We have always been practicing and training for this. We planned for this game to win. But at the end of the day, the best team will win, just like what they did. But I assure you, the next we are going to sort things out. We will win our next game, and we are challenging. We are going to Division 1. That's our motto, our aim for this year.
Thank you, coach. Well, that was the coach there. There you heard him saying that our motto is to win, and our motto is to make sure that we are going to be promoted to Division 1. So they pray that they will be, and I don't know if they are going to be, but as I always say, that God knows. Well, for myself, Richard Nzinyu, love is not love until you give it away. So bye-bye for now.